The Mi Smart Band 6 is here. Is this the upgrade to the Mi Smart Band 5 you've been waiting for? Let's have a look. Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tag. Good to see you guys again, and I'm here to share my exclusive unboxing and review of the Mi Smart Band 6. And this device was just announced last night in Xiaomi's big event. Now, I've been a long time user of Mi Bands, and you can see I have a collection of Mi Bands right here, from the Mi Band 4 to the Mi Bands 5, and they've just been terrific wearables to use day to day with incredible battery life and just a suite of features that for the price is really unmatched in the industry. And so here we are with the Mi Smart Band 6, and let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. But before we get started, let's have a look at some of the specs and the updates. We have up to 30 workout modes now, data tracking and automatic workout detection, water resistant up to 50 meters, and now we have swimming stroke recognition with this Mi Band 6. We also have reliable sleep information recording, magnetic charging, and a crisp, clear 1.56-inch full AMOLED display with, now this is the big one, blood oxygen saturation monitoring. So this now matches the Apple Watch 6 with that capability. You have stress monitoring and breathe training, and you have menstrual cycle data tracking as well. And so here we go. Let's open this bad boy up. And there we go, taking it out. And here I feel is the Mi Band 6, the Mi Smart Band 6. Let's see what's inside the box first. This is the Mi Smart Band 6 user manual in multiple languages. Look at this, incredible. Almost feels like a little pocket dictionary. And here's the charger for the Mi Smart Band 6 with these two prongs that magnetically connect and charge up the wearable. And now let's do it, tearing off the plastic. And there it is, guys, the Mi Smart Band 6. And let's have a look at this display. Oh my gosh. So they've actually made the entire front panel now a display. You can kind of see it there. This is a cool looking display, guys. And look at this display size difference from the 5 to the 6. And let me tell you guys, just for the display alone, this Mi Band 6 is a major step forward for this wearable series. And so I will come back after a few days. Stay tuned for my full review after a few days of using this device. Here we go. Talking about design, and a similar experience here, guys, you're going to get from this Mi Band 6 with the same dimensions and 14-day battery life as the Mi Band 5 with the same sensors on the back. That means you'll also be able to use all of your old bands, whichever colors you have, as the Mi Band 5. So there's a nice little bit of carryover from here. But that's where the similarities end, with a 1.56-inch AMOLED 326 ppi display, which looks great in the daylight. This display is 49% larger than the Mi Band 5s, and it shows. What a gorgeous display they've put into this Mi Band 6. And here you see it next to the Mi Band 5. I love the curvature and just more area to view all of your stuff. And let me tell you, the key features just look even better on this Mi Band 6, including the brand new SpO2 blood oxygen tracking and sleep breathing tracking as well. You have even more sports modes on this Mi Band 6 versus the 11 on Mi Band 5. You get up to 30 sport modes here, including street dance, Zumba, and more. There's just so many ways you can use this product to track your workouts in whatever you do. And when it comes to calorie tracking, step tracking, you also have 24/7 heart rate monitor alerts, and Pi, which is the personal activity assistance score that will keep you motivated daily on your activities. And you may be wondering, Frankie Tech, how do you navigate this thing without a button? It's all swipe and gesture navigation now, and the larger display will make watch faces with more information displayed. You're going to be able to see so much more at a glance, and I love the new watch faces, specifically this one that takes advantage of the full circular display of this Mi Band 6. And with easy Mi Fit app compatibility with both iOS and Android, you'll be able to manage settings and get brand new watch faces for your Mi Band 6. Here you see how quickly you can download a brand new watch face. Just keep the phone close, and then it updates, syncs to your watch. And they will only look even more beautiful on this large display Mi Band 6. So all in all guys, final verdict, this Mi Smart Band 6 is a major upgrade with this all-display look, and this is an easy recommendation over the previous Mi Band 5. But hit me up in the comments, what do you think of this Mi Smart Band 6, and does this look like the ideal upgrade for you? Hit me up in the comments, I'd love to hear about it. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up, and if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon for future updates. Thanks once again to Xiaomi for sending out this Mi Smart Band. I will be wearing this one daily, and this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech, signing off. Have a good one.